Your University Forum is a dedicated page for conversation relating to your university. You can find your University Forum by simply searching for your university name in the search bar on site, or from a list of all university forums found here. At the top of the page, you have your sticky threads. These are pinned to the top of the forum and they don't move. These threads contain the most relevant and important information for visitors to your forum, so those interested in your university, and we recommend you have 3 to 5 of these. As you can see in this example from Leicester, they have an applicant thread for the current year, an offer holders thread, an ask a current student thread, and an accommodation thread. We recommend that you review the sticky threads in your forum and post in these to engage with students and build your community. Also, decide if you would like to unstick any old threads or create new ones if you'd like to. To create a new sticky thread, click the Start New Discussion button from the top of the page and submit your title and first post. Please then email client services or message us in your rep feedback thread on site to pin the post to the top. You can find examples of good sticky threads by scrolling to the bottom of the Rep Resources page on TSR Matters and finding best practice examples. The other threads in your forum tend to be questions from students wanting to find out specific information about your university or looking for advice and support. You can also see examples of what to expect and how to provide good responses to these by viewing the best practice examples page. We recommend checking in on your university forum at least once a day to make sure all questions have been answered. Make sure that you watch your forum as well using the blue watch button at the top to make sure that you get a notification when there's a new post. If you ever don't know the answer to something, that's okay, just try to find out from someone who does and get back to them as soon as you're able to, or point the student in the right direction for who is best to speak to, and focus on any other aspects of the student's question that you can respond to.